Outside the Pretoria Magistrate's Court, the Bushiri family with their financial consultant appearing, applying for bail. Sipho, what's happening now?
Well, a very good morning to you, Desiree, once again, and welcome to our viewers to our ongoing coverage here of Shepherd Bushiri and his wife, Mary, as they appear here at the Pretoria Magistrate's Court, attempting, of course, to apply for bail. They first appeared on Wednesday, and the matter was postponed to today, and they spent a couple of days behind bars, and today now that bail application is continuing. But there is a delay. The delay is a result of a media application seeking to get a permission to cover the proceedings from inside. We understand that lawyers for the Shepherd Bushiri are opposing this application. So right now the lawyers for representing various media houses are inside trying to get that permission. But perhaps let me speak to some of the supporters. They've come out in their numbers to support the Bushiris, and we have a lot of police presence, of course, trying to make sure that everything goes smoothly. But one of the interesting supporters here, Desiree, is a woman who traveled all the way from Bloemfontein to come and show her support here. Ma'am, if you can come a bit closer. You traveled all the way from Bloemfontein to be here this morning. What motivated you so much to come here to support the couple?
I'm here to support my prophet and prophetess because I know they are not guilty. I am fully persuaded and I'm fully convinced that he is a prophet from above. He's a man of God. He's a real prophet of God. So he is not guilty at all.
He is not guilty because he's a man of God?
Not that he's a man of God, because they arrest him without evidence. Now they are postponing case because they are trying to find something that is not there. They are buying time to find him guilty, and they will not find anything, my brother.
Postponements and delays in bail application are part of legal procedure. It's not only applies to him. I've covered many cases where there's various postponements. So he's not being victimized by the system if we're going to talk about process of the court.
My brother, last year they have postponed his case to July this year. In July, they were postponing it to July 2021. Then the lawyers make an appeal. That's why the case was rescheduled for last week. So the more they postpone, they want to deny the justice, because there are so many corruption in South Africa, but they are not arresting them. VBS, Busasa, we can mention. Bloemfontein, where I come from, Free State, but they are not arresting anyone.
Well, the Hawks have been busy arresting a number of people. So don't you think that this is an opportunity for him to clear his name in court, to have his day in court?
Come again?
Do you not think having his day in court is an opportunity for him to clear his name?
How many times they call him to court, but they are not They are not taking him to trial because we want those witnesses to come and testify what prophet did.
Well, the first matter trial has been set for 2020 May next year. So that matter, the trial has been set. But let's talk about why you're so passionate and supporting your prophet to this extent. You said to me that often we say that people say that you are hypnotized, but you're saying that's not the case.
They are insulting us. These people, they undermine our intelligence. They think all these people, millions of people, they can be hypnotized by one man. There's no way. That is a foolish with capital and bold letter. I am here because prophet restored my marriage. I have peace in my marriage. I have peace in my marriage. And I didn't come here because I was looking for prophecy. I started to watch a prophetic channel at home. The teaching that I got drove me to come here. My father, biological father, is a pastor.
Let me just ask you this quickly. Do you think all are equal before the law? Or are you asking for special treatment for your prophet here?
No, I'm not asking for a special attention or what. I've been in ECG from 2015 and prophet has never prophesied to me. But I'm here to support him because my brother, that's why I was saying I'm fully persuaded and I'm fully convinced that he is innocent. Okay. And there's nothing you can say about it. And also, please, people of God, journalists, Don't ever say our prophet is a self-proclaimed prophet. How will you feel as a journalist when I say you are a self-proclaimed journalist? You, my brother, I'm talking to you because you are saying that on the news on Wednesday.
Thank you. All right, well, there you have it. I am being schooled that I should not call him a self-proclaimed prophet, that he is indeed a prophet. But the real matter here is that he's applying for bail, and that matter is still going to take place inside the court. Currently, what the court is hearing inside is a media application to have permission to record, and then following that, we will have then the bail application heard by the magistrates, but lots of activities outside the court here with the supporters coming out in their numbers saying that despite what the law enforcement may say, they believe that he is innocent. And with that, Desiree, it's back to you.
Oh, even you have to admit, self-proclaimed journalist is a first. Okay, Sipho can't hear us there, but yeah, didn't see that one coming. We're watching the time. Any moment soon, we'll be taking you back to the state